Hello, I'm Rosy Hardy. This is Rosy Hardy Gardening. This is just a few plants that I have put together to show you a little bit of laying out, giving you plenty of colour, and these are plants that love full sun. So I have got Verbena Seabrook's Lavender, a good front of border plant. Anaphalis triplinervis, which has these amazing papery white flowers here, silver foliage. This is a runner. This will fill up the spaces and come through things, but you can divide it up. Then the fabulous Coreopsis Sunray, and that is a little tight clump former. But isn't it bright and vibrant? Really great little plant. It'll stay nice and neat and tidy. Scabiosa butterfly blue, which just keeps on flowering, and even when you have the dead heads on there, it looks fine, and that will make a lovely flat mat. Then coming into maybe the back or the middle, we've got Nepeta, and this is Bramdean. This one will get a little bit taller, a little bit more upright. It's only bending over because of where it was in a container in the row. So more upright like this, lovely dark stems, good bee attractant, and somewhere about this height above all of these plants. Allium Millenium, one of those fantastic perennial alliums with dark green foliage, and then these huge big oversized golf ball heads which open up in a really strong pink. The Anthemis, and this one is Anthemis Sauce Hollandaise. It's just waking up. Its flowers go back like this when it's at night time, and just it'll open back up in the daytime to being flat daisies. Really, really beautiful. That's going to make a lovely clump in here. So these two are going to be taller. The others are at the height that they would be, but they would spread. So these would get up a little bit. And then you've got a Hylotelephium. This one is Red Cauli. So this has beautiful dark purple foliage. That's a lovely foil against these two plants here, because you've got the lovely purple of the dead heads on the Verbena there, which go really well with the purple stems of this, and then that contrast of this soft yellow and the green against that, and then it's going to come out a beautiful soft red flower. So that gets a little bit taller, so that would fit in there behind there. And then right at the back you've got this century here. This is Lychnis chalcedonica. This is going to get up here quite a bit taller, but some flowers will flower here, some flowers will flower up here. All of these would fit in a beautiful cottage garden style border, perennial flowers, looking really good for a sunny position. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel.